Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share my India and Thailand haul with you guys. I don't know how I'm going to show you guys the items because I'm filming with my phone and I'm holding it with my hand. So I have one hand free. But you can see I have most of the items from Tanishq and one from Pandora, which I got from Pattaya, Thailand, and one item from Hermes, which I got from Bangkok. And these are the authenticity cards from Tanishq. And I have these items. I got these slippers. These are made of rubber. The material is kind of rubbery material, which are great for beach. And I got two of them, and you can see I have already worn them. And this is the brand if you want to know, Mochu. And I got these from Pattaya, Thailand. And these are a pair of Crocs I got before I went to India for the plane. And also it was rainy season, so I thought to take a pair of Crocs. And I got two sets of bed sheets. This is a double bed, I think. In India they call it double bed sheet. And this is a set. These are the pillowcases, by the way. The yellow color ones, these ones are pillowcases, and that is the bed sheet. And these are the pillowcases for this one. So these are the two pair. So these are the two sets of bed sheets. And I got this, I don't know if you guys know about the tussar. In Odia we call tussar silk. This is a shawl, by the way. Tussar silk shawl. Let me show you here on the carpet. Here it is. And this is how it looks. Handmade and 100% tussar silk. The camera is not showing up the true color. It's kind of a yellowy material. It's not white, but it's showing as white. Yeah, that is the true color. Kind of yellowy material. Okay, let me show you the jewelry now. Let me open everything so that I can use my hand, just one hand, to show you guys. So I'm going to come back after opening everything. Okay guys, so let me start with the bangles. I got two sets of bangles. These are the first one. I got them for daily use. That's why they are simple and yeah, just plain bangles. And these are 22 karat gold, by the way. If you are not from India, just to let you know, these are 22 karat gold. Yeah, simple, just little bit of decoration you can see, and plain bangles. So these are the first pair from Tanishq. Next I got this pair of earrings. These are 22 karat gold as well. Next I got this diamond necklace. It's a dolphin, and this is 18 karat because I think for diamond they have to use 18 karat. So yeah, this is 18 karat. And if you want to see the difference in color between 18 and 22, you can see 22 karat is a little bit more yellowish than 18 karat, but that is the strongest one. The 18 karat is strongest than 22 karat. And then I got a ring. It has 3 diamonds, and on this side it has tiny little flowers. How do I show you? Just a minute. You can see those are 2 tiny flowers on both sides, and kind of half flower at the end, and again 18 karat gold. Next I got this charm. Whenever I go somewhere I get a charm from Pandora, and this is from Thailand, but I got from Pattaya, Thailand, not from Bangkok. And I believe this is Wat Arun. Let me show you properly. There you go. I believe, I am not sure though what temple is this. And it's kind of gold and silver charm. In the back it says Pandora with the logo. It's not focusing. So here it is, silver and gold. It says Thailand. If you guys know about this temple, please let me know. I am thinking it's Wat Arun, but I'm not sure. Next I got these bangles again. These are for daily use, and these are simple 22 karat gold bangles, and pure, by the way. These are not bronze. These are pure 22 karat gold, and these are wider than the other set. Let me show you them together. So to compare, you can see the size difference. These look heavier, but I think these are heavier than these. Like I told you before, I got these for daily use. For every day I didn't want something crazy, I wanted something simple, so yeah, I got these pairs. And then I got just one item from Hermes, which is, look at the bag guys, it's so tiny. Which is a lipstick, by the way. What is the number? This is the number 68. So here is the box, and inside the box there is another box, and I have to slide it open. Let me use my other hand. And you can see there is a dust bag for the lipstick, which is the same dust bag for the bags, if you are curious. I have a Hermes bag and I have the same dust bag. And here is the lipstick, 68. And here is the color. Isn't it so pretty, guys? I love their lipsticks. I already have one in the color 53 and I love it. So I went to the store for a bag, but I didn't get any bag, so I got a lipstick instead. I went to 3 stores, but they said that they don't have any bags to sell. Only they have display items and no bags in stock. I don't know if that is the truth. but that is what they said. And yeah, so that's why I didn't get anything. Instead I got this lipstick from one of the store. Also from Zara I got something. I don't have it here because I already washed it and put it away, but I'm going to put a picture, outfit picture. I'm going to insert right now. If you want to see, you can check the outfit. So that's it guys for this video, this India and Bangkok haul video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.